If you ever run into an instance where you want to slow down only a portion of your toolpath, you can use the change at point functionality. First off, I'm going to go to backplot, and you can see that my toolpath, or my tool, is running at 10 inches per minute. And I want to slow it down to 5 inches per minute on the little cutout section. So to do that, we're going to go into our geometry, expand our solid chain, and we'll right mouse click on partial loop. Under partial loop, select change at point, and this will show us the different points that we can change our speed, feed, or whatever we want with change at point. So I'm going to select this point. I'm going to slow our feed rate down to 5 inches per minute. Then I'll select this point here. I'll increase our feed rate back to 10 inches per minute. Accept. Escape out of that function. Accept again, and then regenerate my toolpath. Now when I backplot, as I step through, you'll see 10 inches per minute. When it gets to the point, it'll go to 5 inches per minute. And then at that next point, it jumps back up to 10 inches per minute and finishes the toolpath.